tie a San Juan worm today. Probably one of the most disrespected flies around, but on the North Fork and the White works very well. Here are the required materials, and this is extremely easy to tie. One thing that's a bit unusual about this San Juan worm that I tie is I run a piece of lead wire along the back and tie it on, which causes it to sink faster. Like usual, we tie our base thread on, which is red. We loop it around a few times, then wrap the tag around the thread, then continue wrapping the thread down the hook. Then we clip the tag. Lay your lead wire on top of the hook, cinching it down. Wrap your thread, starting at the head, going back, covering the wire all the way so you can't see it, and then you'll stop right behind the hook. Now snip off the tag closely. Lay the chenille down on the hook, securing it at the end just past the lead. Now just do like 2, maybe 3 loops around and leave a little hump in the middle to make it look more realistic. And then tie 1 or 2 loops around the head. Next, tie a quick whip knot just behind the head there. Now we'll pull the whip out, pull it down, pull it tight, and snip the tag. As you can see, this is extremely easy to tie. Now we're going to snip off about half of that tag on the front of the chenille, and there you go. That's how you tie a San Juan worm.